This week we're headed out to take a look at a place you may not have heard of before. It's the Spillway Common at Wivenhoe Dam. Let's get four wheels on the road and check it out. Wivenhoe Dam is situated just over an hour west of Brisbane, and there's a couple of different ways you can get there. You can head over Mount Glorious and Mount Nebo, or you can head through Fernvale, which is the way we're going today. Plenty of things to do along the way here. You've got the old Fernvale bakery along the way, which has fantastic pies. There's plenty of other things to see and do around Lake Wivenhoe, but we'll touch on them a little bit later on. The entry itself into the Spillway Common lookout at Wivenhoe is pretty easy to find. There's a fairly well signposted turn off just off the Brisbane Valley Highway, just as you get to Wivenhoe itself. There's plenty of signage on the way in, so it's easy to find your way into the Spillway Common. It's a pretty easy place to get to, and the drive in from the main road is only 3 kilometres. Alright, let's go take a look at the place. Plenty of parking available here at the Spillway Common lookout, and it's just a short walk to what proves to be a fantastic lookout. Plenty of different things to do within the Spillway Common itself also. You've got Atkinson's Crossing kayak launch a little bit further down the road from where we are here at the Spillway Common, and you've also got a day use area across from the kayak launch area. There's bathrooms that are available in the day use area here at the Spillway Common as well. Today we're just taking a look at the area in terms of day use, but if you wanted to have a look at incorporating some different activities into your journey out to the Spillway Common lookout here at Wivenhoe, there's plenty of different things you can do both along the way and while you're at Wivenhoe itself. In terms of other things to do in the area, if you're a kayaker, you've got amazing access to the Brisbane River down here in Fernvale, both at Twin Bridges and Savages Crossing. You can also stop and check out the Brisbane Valley Rail Trail along the way as well if you're a hiker or a mountain biker. If you're looking for other day use areas to check out in the area, you've also got the Logan Inlet boat ramp. And if you're looking for camping available in the area, you've also got Lumley Hill and Captain Logan campgrounds down here at Wivenhoe. There's also a ton of other campsites available further up on Wivenhoe and also into Lake Somerset. If you'd like to take a look at some of those campsites, we've actually visited those before. I'll put a link for you on the top right hand side of your screen. They're fantastic areas to check out. All of those areas around Wivenhoe are just fantastic and really recommended places, so you can actually come out here and make a weekend of it. In my many journeys and talking to people about places they know and places they don't, this is one that never comes up as a place that people know, so I just wanted to get it out there and spread the good word. That's what we're all about here on the channel, trying to feature places that you've never thought of going before and that you've never heard of before. So if we can do that and bring you some places you've never heard of, that's all we can hope for. All right, that's it from us this week. Once again, don't forget to show your support for the channel by dropping a like with the button below, leaving some comments, and subscribing to the channel if you haven't already. Every little bit helps. Thanks for watching once again, and we'll see you next time we get four wheels on the road.